While growing up, what representations of Europe, if any, did you encounter? Or did your parents, for instance, talk about where they come from?
Okay, Europe is one thing. What we are talking is about Eastern Europe,
yes,
right?
Sorry, yes.
So Eastern Europe, well, my mother wasn't interested at all. He said this was our past, it came to an end, that's it. But my father was talking about it, but in very, very, I would say, in a very beautifying way, everything, the way things were done there were the right thing to do, what you are doing here is not the right thing to do. The relations between teachers and students should be like they were in the old home. Like many immigrants, old home is the right thing. Plus, my father was quite old when he came to Israel. So, the old, it's very difficult to immigrate when you're older. So the old home is the right thing. This is not. This is this is a very different culture. Very chutzpahdik and, very straightforward. And so this is it. But you know what? We didn't call it Europe. We call it the exile. Yeah, we call it exile. You're talking about the exile. The exile is a bad thing. So why would we listen to you? Or if you are praising the exile, you're an exilic person, and there is nothing worse than an exilic person. You can't be worse than an exilic person is a horrible thing. Not anymore, because I married a man who wasn't born and raised in Israel. Sometimes I say to him, "You're galuti." But this is how we perceived it. Our parents were galutim, and we were Israelis. We were strong Israelis.